Hold on, buddy. Kellen, you're going to fall off.
Are you counting?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18,
20. Now, Kellen, can you do 20 now?
You're going to go do 20 push-ups.
By yourself? Kellen's turn.
Kellen's turn.
Do push-ups.
It's Kellen's turn to do push-ups.
Push-ups.
Go do push-ups.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, now you're doing yoga. Is that down dog? Are your push-ups all done? Uh-oh.
Can you do some yoga now?
Down dog?
Yoga?
Can you do alligator yoga?
Telephone.
Oh, telephone yoga. Let's see it.
Telephone. Down. Hi.
Good. Now can you do alligator yoga? Or jump over Slinky. Hey, Kellen. Who's your friend at daycare? At school?
Can you
Kellen.
jump over this?
Yeah.
Good job. Can you jump over Riley's book? Wow.
Okay, Riley. Too much milk.
Yeah. I got my book again.
Are you hyper?
No.
Are you tired?
No.
Who's your best friend at school? I think he's hyper.
A booger. Booger.
A booger?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Hamburgers.
You're gonna blow your nose?
Yeah. I saw Riley's book. That Riley's book.
That's Riley's book.